Alright guys, we have arrived and I'm super excited because we're going to be doing some fishing. Hopefully we're going to have some mackerel and finish, see when we get out on the beach. Alright guys, we have got to the beach and the wind is absolutely horrible. I'm sorry about the wind sound, but I can't do a lot about it. Alright, so we're going in for a cast. And we are using a Marathon 11-foot medium heavy rod. We're using a Daiwa DF 100A with 50-pound braid. But I'm just trying to get out here. I got to going in for a recast because I got some nice bites over there, but then it died down, so we can try over here. Whoa! And you gotta tighten out your drag for that. Right there. Alright, see if we got any right here. Be a little slack. That was a fishing fail at first. Whatever though. Back up. That's what we have lots of it. Oh, no, this is like weed. Oh yeah, we did get something. I didn't even notice it. We did. Wow, it was covered up on a bunch of weed. And we got it's a sea bass. So we're gonna clean it up. Guys, so we got a little sea bass. We're just gonna let it go. If it was bigger, we would keep it and eat it. Chop, chop. Just gonna let him go right here. There he goes. Alright guys, so we just caught a sea bass. Now we're gonna come into the cast over here. Alright guys, so we're already getting bites. It's a fish. Alright guys, so pretty sure we got one on. That was a heck of a hook set. Alright. Pretty sure we got one. Oh yeah, we got one. Yeah. Alright, that way it's fighting. Yep. So, oh, we got a sand perch. Alright guys, so we just got a little fish over here. It's really beautiful. This is called, this is called a sand perch. And they're usually out offshore, but this one came in with the current. So we're just gonna unhook him, let him go. They don't get too big. Whoa, it's flipping out. Alright, so you just wanna simply grab him right here and push out. And there we go, he's unhooked. And he fell, so just gonna go ahead and let him go. Here's one more look at the sand perch before we let him go. And there he goes. That seagull tried to get him, but he failed. So the sky is completely dark over there, so we might have to leave soon. We're gonna try to stay for some more. Guys, it is absolutely nasty out here. Look, it's like partly cloudy over there, and you turn here, it's just like dark gray. There's gonna be a storm coming at us, so we're gonna get out of here as fast as we can. It is nasty out here, guys. Look at those birds in the storm. All the wind is coming at us. It's a cold breeze, and it's like it just went from super nice and warm to this horrible cold breeze. Alright guys, so we got a couple of smaller fish, but then we got rained on super hard. It's raining right now. So anyways guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and always come back. Thanks guys.